Tyagi from Chakradhari Shanknath News. Uttar Pradesh. CM Yogi Adityanath one day ago speaking in Amethi. घरों से कहो हम हिंदू हैं. सीएम योगी आदित्यनाथ slams accidentally Hindu Rahul Rajiv Khan. Slams accidentally Hindu Rahul Rajiv Khan in Amethi. Yogi Adityanath says those who lack of basic understanding of rituals. Yogi Adityanath says when I was not a CM, then also he used to say, and today also he says, and further in future also he will say, गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू हैं. Yogi Adityanath says those who lack understanding of rituals begin disseminating erroneous information about Hindu and Hindutva. It can only interpreted as a lack of intelligence. Rahul Rajiv Khan claims Amethi will scale new heights a day after shifting from Yogi and Modi. Previous government spent money on burial grounds. We developed religious spot. Malegaon blast. Congress created false cases against Hindu organizations, says UP CM Yogi Adityanath. Another witness in the case turned hostile in NIA court and said that ATS officers forced him to take Yogi Adityanath's name and 5 RSS people involved in the terror case. 6 people were killed and over 100 people were injured in the 2008 in Malegaon blast case. Samajwadi Party tried to incite riots during PM Modi's rally in Kanpur. Home for poor people will be developed on the land of Mafia Atiq Ahmad's land. Mafia Atiq Ahmad's land. Yogi Adityanath performed puja on the land of land freed from Mafia Atiq Ahmad. This land will be used for houses under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana for poor. In UP rally, AIMIM chief Owaisi Asaduddin clearly warns Hindus, saying that Yogi won't be CM forever, Modi won't be PM forever, then who will save you Hindus? Won't be PM forever. Once they are gone from the system, who will save you Hindus? This line he has said earlier also. Previously also once Asaduddin Owaisi had said that we Muslims will take our Takto Taj and we will go to our Mazhabi land Saudi Arabia. What will happen to you Hindus? Once again he has used the similar line, same line, and yet he has been not arrested, where Kali Charan Maharaj has been arrested for speaking the truth. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was responsible for our India's partition. After saying also that partition will happen, only on my dead body. Once the partition has taken place, still he was alive. We all Indians know this truth. So what is the problem if Maharaj Kali Charan says the same thing? Thousands of Rohingyas of demolished Bangladesh confirms. France detects new COVID variant IHO 12 detected. A dozen days of lockdown spin anguish in Chinese city of Xi'an. Estimated to be 95.4% of coronavirus variant in US CDC. Australia COVID-19 cases surge, hospitalization, hit pandemic high in most popular cities of Australia. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.